Greetings everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we are on Boomerangme, and this is an amazing platform for rewards program for local businesses. So if you are running a local business, this is a skyrocket for you guys. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trial and exclusive free benefits and rewards on this platform. Okay, now talking about Boomerang. Now it is amazing for your business because it has this dashboard that can provide you an analytical and statistical view of your business and how it is performing. You can see we have the graph view. Everything is presented in a really nice manner. You can also see the loyalty return on investment. You can add and customize it according to your businesses and your niche that you are running in. On the left side of our screen, we can see various different options. So here you can see we have cards. Now if you head over to your cards, you can create your custom template for that, and also you can choose from already existed template for your business. So this is your business card design that you can use. You can see how good this looks, and these are totally customizable. If you talk about customers, you can add customers in here by yourself as well. All of the record will be displayed in here. You can see the customer base, customers in total, cards installed, and all of this information is presented in here. Also in the mailings, we have the mail. So of course mailing is a big part of a business, so a mailing list is essential. On the top menu bar you can see inbox, send push, push automation. So these are all the automation it provides since it is AI based site. Now you can also create custom auto push and settings accordingly to have a better control. Now talking about your location, you can add your location in here. It is asking me for allowing me the location. You can allow it and it will grab it automatically. And finally we have managers and settings. So yeah, make sure to try this platform because it can give you more control over your business digitally. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. If you did so, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get exclusive rewards and benefits, as well extended free trial on this site and on many others as well. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. Until next time, and see you in the next one.